Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing resources and opening Photoshop preferences. This prevents slowdowns while changing UI elements. Once Photoshop is ready, go straight to Edit Preferences on Windows or Photoshop Preferences on Mac. In Preferences, select Interface to access theme options and UI scaling. Make sure you understand why. The interface controls both color theme and density, so adjusting here affects readability and contrast across panels. Once set, you're ready to choose an exact theme. Don't click Apply yet if you need other adjustments. Now you pick and preview the theme. In Interface, click the color theme swatches to toggle between dark, medium, or light. You'll see the change immediately. Examine panels, tool icons, and canvas contrast to confirm visibility. If icons or text look cramped, adjust UI scaling or font size to match screen resolution. Once done, tweak highlight color for selection contrast so guides and active layers stand out. Make deliberate changes. Previews save time versus trial and error on actual edits. Finish by applying and validating the new theme. Click OK to save your interface changes and check panels for consistency. If the theme doesn't persist, restart Photoshop to ensure settings load. If the UI behaves strangely after the change, reset preferences by restarting while holding Alt plus Control plus Shift on Windows or Option plus Command plus Shift on Mac. This clears corrupt preference files. If screen redraws or lag occur, make sure Use Graphics Processor is disabled under Performance. This often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.